Hey guys, it's your girl Intricate and I'm back with another video. Oh my gosh, and today I'm doing another unboxing. Yes sir, yes sir. So basically, kind of like the last one, this company, they shouted me on Instagram and then they wanted me to review their shapewear products. You know, here I am reviewing it. They're called YooShape. I like that name. As you can see, it says YooShape. So I'm gonna open it for you guys. There's 3 products in here, so I'll try them on, explain to you what they are, and I am actually going to the gym later.
Don't believe me, I'm a true liar.
You know I always have difficulty opening products, so they gave me a return label. I'm not returning it, don't worry guys, it's free. Okay, cool. So there's 3 things in here and they're all black. I don't know why I did that, but I love my all black stuff, so. So, where do we start? I hope they fit. I looked at the size guide, so, you know, I've been eating. Okay, so this is their waist wrap. So it's essentially a waist trainer, but they made it a waist wrap, so it's like, you know, sometimes you want a small and sometimes you want a medium, but neither of them fit properly. It's a waist wrap so you can get it to your ideal compression. So it's obviously Velcro, and you just wrap it. It's hella long. You wrap it around your waist, basically. This is the Shape and bodysuit. So I got it in an extra small/small. It actually says it here, small. So this is, it says undergarment, so you're supposed to wear it like, you're supposed to wear it underneath something to give you the shape you want, give you that figure. It says for a seamless and snatched look. It smooths your core and thighs while shaping and lifting your booty and bust. So this is it. You see that? Eesh. You see that? And then the bum bit is a bit thinner, so your bum can actually, you know, something squeeze your bum like this. It's like, why are you putting it in a chokehold? So the bust bit is thinner and the bum bit is thinner, so it can rest, whereas the rest where you want it snatched is quite tight. Let's see the stretch on this thing though. I kind of want to wear this now. Okay, cool. Okay, so next we have the booty boosting body shaper in a medium. I got it in a medium because it didn't look as stretchy as the other things, and I felt like if it was too small, it's going to be so uncomfortable to wear for a long period of time. So it says comfortable and firm shapewear, sculpting. That's what we like. And it says it gives extra control because of the high elastic mesh, and it will smooth your silhouette. With everything held exactly where it should be. Exactly where it should be. Okay, so I even forgot to plug them. You can find them on Instagram at YooShape_ and on their website www.yooshape.co.uk. You know the vibe. So now I'm gonna try them on. A bit scared. I'm not a fitness babe. Okay guys, so the first product I'm going to use is this waist wrap. I think that it's going to be the longest to put on, so I might as well start with that. I don't know how you're supposed to use it, but we're going to figure it out together. It's me and you, right? Before I even do this, go and like, comment and subscribe. You don't even have to comment, you can wait to the end, but like it. And if you're not subscribing, why are you here for free? It's not a free market, baby. We all gotta eat, all right? Okay, there's this line of Velcro, then there's this Velcro bit, and I think it straps onto it somehow. I don't know, but I see there's this thing, and I remember seeing a video of someone using this where they get the blood clot this and then put this through and double back on it. I think, let's try it. Okay guys, now you can see that this is the Velcro things. So this bit of Velcro, when I go around, should attach to this, I think. Oh, blood clot. It's hard. hard being a girl, you know. Oh no, it does. Okay, cool. See? So the last one is here. So I'm gonna just attach it to that one there. Okay, like you can get as tight as you want it, I guess. I didn't want it too tight because I want to be able to, you know, move with it, rock with it. But yeah, it's making sense. I won't lie. Do you remember back in the days, shubs, when you tie your top like this, tuck it in? Yeah. I like this product, to be fair. I do. This one, like my mum can use it, I can use it, my sister can use it, because you're wrapping it around yourself. It's one size. So I think this one is good in terms of like, if you buy it, you don't need to buy a new one. You literally wrap it up like to your size. So I kind of like that. I like it, Picasso. The next one is their bodysuit, their shapewear bodysuit. So they want me to try this as well. So I'm gonna wear this now. And then I'm really excited for the last product. Is what I chose. So you know, I'm feeling a type of way about it. Okay guys, so this is the bodysuit. It's very cute. The thing is, I think I would wear this out not this one because I know what it's for, but on a normal day, like if you're getting a jumpsuit, a bodysuit, a play suit, I swear I have this already, kind of thing. But yeah, the style is very casual. Do you get what I mean? Like it's quite high. I'm short, so I put the straps all the way. Yeah, you see, it like goes up to like my knee. Yeah, I think it's like, I can see myself on Insta, like I can feel the suction, but I like the fact that the material on the bust is quite loose and the material on the back is kind of loose, whereas I can feel the suction here. Like this material is very like, but yeah, it's cute. Like it. Picasso. Yeah, I really like it. I really do. And I feel like if you're wearing it under something, it does what it needs to do. Yeah guys, like what, next post? Guys, you know my free poses. So one is like this. The other's like this. And the other's like this. So the last product, this is the one I actually chose for myself out of their product range. So this is their, what did they even call it? They gave it a big boy name, like they called it the booty boosting body shaper. Like, so it's similar to what I'm wearing now, but it's different. I know guys will be like, it's the same thing. Girls, you get, it's different. It's a different product. Like it's a different composition of materials. It might look the same on, okay, it does, but it's not the same. Alright, cool. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, this is the final item and I think it's my favorite. Obviously the back, this one has a zip, so I can't really do that right now, so I'm gonna get my brother to help me. But yeah, while you're waiting, go and like, comment and subscribe. Help me zip this up. Wait, hold on. Take it easy. Guys, wait, no, stand all the way back.
I don't even fit in the frame. My head's like peeking over.
Guys, this guy's 16. Where's my tall jean? Anyway, can you help me zip the back up?
Can you remove your head?
My head, yeah?
No, yeah, just your head.
Wait, guys, I just did, there's clips before you zip. So he's gonna eat. Yay! So guys, it's me, Intricate, and you're probably wondering what I'm doing here, you know, in the background. And I just have to say I made a big mistake. I made a big mistake. You're probably wondering why this is such a struggle. How could I possibly ever put this on without somebody helping me? How do I take it off? You're probably wondering all of that. What the crux of the matter is, I'm very silly. I'm very silly because I was looking at the website. It's called this, it's called that, looking at the image. Little did I know that I'm wearing this back to front. I'm wearing this back to front, so I'm about to show you guys how it's supposed to be worn, because this is not it. All right, let's get back to the video. It's not for my fault because it looked like it was the right way around, you see, but evidently I was wearing this back to front, which is why it was such a struggle and I needed my brother's help. So apparently the right way to do it is this way. I was wearing it back to front. Sorry, I'm not taking my top off, that's all long, but you guys will get the point anyway. Okay. Maybe I should have worn something white under so you can actually see. what's going on. But yeah. It's giving shaboop, you know, a bit of snatch. So guys, as you can see, this is the correct way to wear it. But I'm going to continue with the thing I'd already recorded before, so you can watch me waffle about something I'm wearing back to front. Okay, let's go. That's good enough.
Oh wait, I forgot they can't see me.
See, my brother is what do you call it? He's his sister's keeper. I always shout, BJ, his room's right there. And he helps me with everything. So
Let me just. Okay, that's better, isn't it? Okay, I'll leave it now.
This is not elastic at all. I feel like if I was even a couple inches bigger anywhere, what do you want? Hold on, guys. Sorry, it's my solicitor calling. I wish. It's money calling. I like it. It's a bit short. The other one went up to like here. This one's a lot shorter, which is better because if I'm wearing like shorts, I could wear this under with a t-shirt. So, do you know what I mean? If it's for undergarments, makes sense. You know the way girls stand for Insta pics? If you saw the way my knees are doing this under the camera right now, just to achieve one certain curve, it's a bit mad. And that, you can even tell, look at the level, like it's not. Anyways guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing with me. And as always, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. You know the vibe. And I'll see you next time guys. Bye.